Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. I hope you all are well. For many days, your school is closed, isn't it? Your study is also off. That's why we take this little process. Please forgive us for any spelling mistake or any pronunciation or any miscommunication. Teacher introduction. I am Rubina Khatun, Assistant Teacher at Firdaus Ali Khan Model School and College. Today I am going to teach you 7 days name which makes the week with rain. So student, can you tell me what the topic today's lesson? Yes, today's lesson topic is days of the week. Unit 13. Look student, we can see here a beautiful tree. This is a week tree. Do you know how many days in a week? Anyone tell me? Oh yes, there are 7 days in a week. Do you know this day's name, students? No? Okay, do you want to learn this day's name? So let's go, count and say those days' name. Those days' names are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Here student, read the rhyme together and find out the new words. Read the rhyme. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Again please. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Next, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Again, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Again please. Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What day is it today? Again please. What day is it today? It's dash. It's dash. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. The rhyme is very nice. Is it, students? You will see a blank space when you read this rhyme. I have filled this gap with which day I like. This gap you can fill with which day you like. Read the rhyme again with blank space. What? Please tell with me. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What day is it today? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's a nice day. So student, we know now this rhyme. What meaning? Here is new words for us. We will know the meaning of the words? No? Okay, I learn you. Look here on day's name. Saturday. Do you know this meaning, students? Saturday. Saturday meaning is Shonibar. Saturday meaning is Shonibar. Sunday. Sunday. Sunday meaning is Robibar. Do you know, student? Sunday meaning is Robibar. Monday. Monday. Monday is Shambar. Monday is Shambar. Next, Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday meaning is Mongolbar. Mongolbar. Tuesday meaning is Mongolbar. Next, Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday meaning is Budbar. Wednesday meaning is Budbar. Thursday. Thursday. Thursday meaning is Brihspatibar. Thursday meaning is Brihspatibar. And the day is last day in a week. And Friday. And Friday. Friday meaning is Shukrobar. So dear friends, this is the name of 7 days. Nice. Nice meaning is Shundor. Nice meaning is Shundor. Day. Day meaning is Din. Day meaning is Din. Today. Today meaning is us. Today meaning is us. Dear student, now we know new words meaning. So, let's see another slide. Here is translate in English. Translate in English. Here's some sentence which we will translate from English to Bangla, Bangla to English. But I given here just Bangla to English. We can translate those 5 sentences from rhyme. Do you want to learn about these 5 sentences, students? Let's learn. Look, 7 দিনের নাম লিখো। 7 দিনের নাম লিখো। Write the name of of 7 days. Write the name of 7 days. Write the name of 7 days. 2. Ask Kibar. Ask Kibar. Can anyone tell me? No? Okay, here is what day is it today? What day is it today? Ask Kibar. What day is it today? 3. ইহা একটি সুন্দর দিন। ইহা একটি সুন্দর দিন। It's a nice day. It's a nice day. Number 4. ইহা শনিবার। It's Saturday. It's Saturday. Again, please. ইহা শনিবার। It's Saturday. Next. শুক্রবার ছুটির দিন। শুক্রবার ছুটির দিন। Friday is holiday. Friday is holiday. Now we know those sentences and now we can translate in English the sentence. Look, student, here a day's name, Saturday. The day name is Saturday. Student, let's see what we do from Saturday to Friday. What we do from Saturday to Friday? We go to school. Do you know this? We go to school every day. Which day start our school, student? Which day start our school? Yes, Saturday. Our school is started Saturday. Can anyone tell me which day first day in a week? Yes, it is also Saturday. So students, our school and week both started with Saturday. In those days, we study and do our homework. In those days, we study and do our homework. You can see here. Friday. Do you know, student? Here left a day. Which the day is this? Can you? Can anyone say? Can anyone tell me? Okay, yes, you are right. This is Friday. You are right. This is Friday. We wait for Friday because it is our holiday. Whose day is holiday, students? Yes, Friday is holiday. What do we do on this day? Our school gets up this day. This day we make lots of fun. This day we lots of fun. We visit our relative house, visit zoo, park with our parents. Do you do this, student? Okay, we also go to play our favorite game with our friends. Do you do this? Okay, here's some home tasks for you, student. Here are some home tasks for you, student. Say and write the missing days. Here is a day's name and you have to write next day name. I hope you can do this at your home. Let's remind what we did. We had learned today. We had learned today day of the week, related word meaning and translate in English. So student, I hope you all understand today's topic. Thank you for attending my class. Stay home. I wish you and wash your hand. Do this home work attending. Be healthy, be happy. Allah Hafiz. অনেক বলেছি।